We installed this job in Sag Harbor, New York. Small Gunite pool was built very close to the house. We paved the patio with the G44 limestone, and we installed a sun deck in the shallow area of the pool. Sun deck and stairs were veneered with the glass tiles, same as the tiles used in the water line, with the Twin Eagle grill cooking island. Small backyard, very functional. We built a wall with the bricks in the edge of the property to accommodate the fence. Very detailed project. The latest gap seed project in Sag Harbor, New York.